Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Reach level 50, unlock the passive slot, and equip a fast weapon. Once done, toggle auto-target and set attack delay to 0. 5 seconds or lower so the system can register quick hits. Then assign a hit-triggering skill or aura into the passive slot. This is what creates repeated kill triggers. Make sure gear boosts attack speed, otherwise the timing fails. Do this now, because these steps let the automation start functioning immediately. You now configure trigger timing and verify registration. First, set the hit trigger skill into the passive slot and bind auto use. This forces repeats without manual input. Next, tweak attack speed and positioning so each hit lands. Practice against low HP mobs until hits are consistent. Also, layer a short cooldown buff to refresh the trigger every 3 to 7 seconds, which prevents gaps. Once you confirm hit registration, increase mob difficulty gradually to ensure the auto kill continues to apply reliably. You finish by validating the full loop and preparing for fixes. Run continuous trials on grouped enemies to confirm multi-target auto kills and note failure patterns. If the system stalls, reset attack delay to 0. 5 seconds, re-equip speed-oriented gear and retest. Timing is usually the culprit. Also, watch for latency spikes. High ping breaks auto triggers, so switch servers or lower graphics to reduce packet loss. If problems persist, rebind the skill and repeat the verification.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.